Keeping your Jira environment clean and up to date is crucial for security, performance, and compliance. The Cleanup Scheduler tab in the miniOrange automated user management app helps administrators automate user cleanup tasks by setting up rules that deactivate, suspend, or delete inactive users, ensuring your system stays organized and secure. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create and manage automated cleanup rules using the Cleanup Scheduler tab. Let's get started. Inside the Cleanup Rules Management section, click on the Create Rule button. Here, you'll find the Schedule Configuration panel, where you can define how your rule will behave. Start by entering a display name for your rule to easily identify it later. Next, choose the mode in which the rule should run. There are two options available. Safe mode. When selected, the rule runs in preview mode. It allows you to review the results before any actual changes are applied. Live mode. In this mode, the rule executes immediately, applying the defined changes to user accounts. It's recommended to start in safe mode, as it lets you validate the rule's results before taking action. Once the mode is selected, configure the actions to be performed by this rule. You can choose from several available options, such as deactivate inactive managed users, suspend inactive users. Also, you can choose to delete suspended users after they've been suspended for a specific duration. If you choose to delete suspended users, enter the number of days after which deletion should occur. Remove product access from inactive users. You can also specify which products or groups users will be removed from by selecting the appropriate checkboxes. Next, set the selection criteria. This determines when the rule will be triggered. You can define the rule to run after a specific number of days of user inactivity. Additionally, you can choose whether to include users who have logged in after being inactive. Then, select the user groups that this rule will target. You can either target all users except protected groups or choose only specific groups to be included. For protection, select the groups you want the rule to exclude from cleanup. Finally, configure the time interval for the cleanup rule. You can set it to run daily, weekly, or at any custom recurrence, and choose the exact time when the rule should execute. Once all configurations are complete, click Save to create the rule. After saving, you'll see your rule listed in the Cleanup Rules Management section. You can pause or resume the rule at any time by clicking the button next to it. To execute the rule manually, click on the three dots beside the rule and select Run Now. If you no longer need a particular rule, you can also choose Delete from the same menu to permanently remove it. And that's how you can set up and manage automated user cleanup rules using the Cleanup Scheduler tab in the miniOrange automated user management app for Jira.